In this video, I will quickly show you how to connect Revolut Business with WordPress to accept payments on your website. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and log in as an administrator. After that, go to the Plugins section in the side menu and click Add New. Now, search for payment plugins that support Revolut integration, such as compatible payment gateways or custom payment plugins. Next, install and activate the chosen plugin. After activation, go to the plugin settings to connect your Revolut Business account. Usually, you will need to enter the API key provided by Revolut Business. You can find this key by accessing your Revolut Business dashboard and going to the Developer or Integrations section. Now, copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in WordPress. After that, configure the payment options such as currency, accepted methods, and confirmation page. If you are using WooCommerce, you can enable Revolut as a payment method in the checkout settings. Once everything is configured, run a test payment to make sure the integration is working correctly. This way, your customers will be able to pay directly on your WordPress website using Revolut. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Revolut Business with WordPress easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.